Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss two formulas related to bond calculation. Uh, in a particular bond calculation, there are coupon payments are there. So let us take an example. It's a 10-year bond is there and the coupon payment is at semi-annual level. Then every coupon payment will come at 6 months interval. But there may be occasions when the bond is not exactly of 10-year horizon and the coupon payments have to be adjusted. So if the last coupon payment is going to be adjusted, then these formulas are going to be useful. So the first formula is to arrive at the price of a bond when the last coupon is at odd period. That means at irregular period. Second formula is to arrive at the yield of the bond when the last coupon is at odd period. So let us try to understand it by an example. Assume I have acquired a bond on 7th of February 2008. This bond has been issued in the past in some days, so we don't have any need for the issue date. Now I have acquired this bond on 7th February 2008. This bond is finally going to mature on 15 June 2008. So on this date I am going to get back my investment amount, and the last coupon payment date is 15th of October 2007. In this case, this coupon payment date has already lapsed, so that means I will not be able to get any subsequent coupon. I will be able to get only coupon for the remaining broken period along with the maturity. So now the present coupon rate is 3.75 and the yield is 4.05 and final redemption value is 100. Coupon payment frequency is semi-annual and day count convention is 30 by 360. For that we have to put this 0. Now let us first work out the price of the bond as on this settlement date. What is the price of the bond on this settlement date? Let us try to work it out. So for that you have to go to the function tab and select this ODDL price function. I will take it from here because it has been already used. So settlement date is 7th February 2008. Maturity date is 15th June 2008. Last interest is 15th October 2007. Rate is 3.75. Yield is 4.05. Then redemption value is 100. Coupon payment frequency is semi-annual and day count convention is 30 by 360. Here is the price of my bond, that is 99.87828. Now using this same data, let us try to check whether the yield, what we will get it from our ODD yield formula, is going to be the same or not. So yield, let us again go to the function ODDL YIELD, settlement date, maturity date, put the last interest date, rate, coupon rate, then here is the price. So this is the present price of the bond, that we have to take 99.878. Then redemption value is 100, frequency is 2 and day count convention is 0. And here is the yield. Let us convert this yield into percentage and you can see my yield has come to 4.05. So I hope this formula for calculating yield and price of a bond where the last coupon is at a irregular period is clear to you. So thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel.